Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, we are going to start revision of back exercise of your first chapter of computer. The name of this chapter is Rising Steps of Computers. So, let's start first in test assessment. First question is put a tick on the correct statements and cross out the wrong ones. Means you put this symbol on the right statement and cross symbol for the wrong statement. First question is abacus was the first calculating device invented by Chinese. Yes, abacus was first calculating device that invented by Chinese. So put tick this symbol on the correct statement because this statement is true. Second one is in 1914 another scientist called Johann Napier invented a calculating device called the Napier bones. No, because in 1614 the year is wrong here. In 1614 the Johann Napier invented Napier bones. The third question is the first mechanical computer was invented by Sir Charles Babbage about 160 years ago. Yes, the Charles Babbage, also known as father of computer, who invented first mechanical computer. So the statement is true. Next one, the exercise. First, answer the following question. These are the 10 marks questions. First question is, what is the main work of computer? Dear student, the answer of this, firstly, the definition of the computer is an electronic machine. It is used for storing large amount of data for future use. Means it stores large amount of data which we can use in the coming year. The main purpose, the main work of computer is performing different operations like additions, subtraction, multiplication and other operations so that we can do work with an easy and fast way. The second question is, what is the difference between the third and fourth generation? Dear student, you already know the computer has 5 generations and here they ask difference between third and fourth generation. So answer is the third generation time period 1965 to 1971 and fourth generation time period 1971 to 1980. The second difference is computers are larger in size. The third generation computers are big in size. Then the fourth generation computers are smaller than third generation computer. In the third generation computer, we use integrated circuit IC for the function performance. And the fourth generation computer we use VLSI, very large scale integration technology. Next, the third generation computer required more electricity and the fourth generation computer consumed less electricity. So it is the difference between third and fourth generation computer. The next question is, what is an abacus? The answer is an abacus was the first calculating device which invented by Chinese. We also repeat this question in the tick and cross questions. And this device is used for calculating addition and subtraction functions. The fourth question is, what do you know about Pascaline? Answer is, Pascaline calculating device is also known as Pascal's calculator because it was invented by Blaise Pascal. Who invented the Pascaline device? Blaise Pascal in 1642. And this device performed two operations, subtraction and addition. The third question is, next question is fifth. What is called the Napier bones? Napier bones was a calculating device which invented by Johann Napier in 1614. Here the year is mentioned. In the previous they asked 1914, what the exact year is 1614, in which the Johann Napier invented the Napier bone calculating device, and this device used for calculate other operations like addition, subtraction, also multiplication, division, than the other devices. So this is the first part of your back exercise. Hope you understand the topic.